Hello everyone, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about very important thing, that is what is the right time for English speaking. Many of you might be thinking that what is the right time for speaking English, and that's why you might be depressed. You might be thinking that whether I have delayed it or whether I am too early to start this kind of English speaking journey. So all the question answers that you really need, I will give you the answer based on my personal experience, so that you can relate with that and you can find a suitable conclusion and you can understand that what is the right time for yourself for starting your English speaking journey based on my personal and the real incident that happened with me. So it was back then 2020 when the COVID hit it in our country. So I found it very amazing because schools were closed, college were closed, so we had no work, we had no study pressure. So I was playing Ludo. To be honest with you, that point in time many of us would actually play Ludo, like online Ludo. I used to play with my friends sitting at my home, and somewhere or other 2021 just got over. And then also I didn't think about English speaking and all, because I was thinking that, oh, this enjoyment days is going on, when everything will be open, then I will think about it, I will start my studies, I'll think about English and all, because now English is not that much of important for me. English was not getting that much of importance from my side. So that was back then, it was my thought. But when it was 2021, at the beginning of the year, same thought I had, and I was going with the same approach. But it was, I think, in February or March, the very strong variant of COVID came, and it was devastating. So I was facing some family issues and all. So it was back then, like a mid of 2021. I was what I was doing is that I thought that let me start doing a job, maybe I can fetch some money for my family also, and I can get some pocket monies and all, something you can say. So that's why I was searching for a job, and that point in time I was not graduate, so I was a normal student. And for a student, if you want to get a job, you will not find a suitable job that is related to your field. So I was also searching. I have put in my data into Monster application. It was one of the job searching application you may find on Play Store also. So I also downloaded that application and I have put in my data back then also. But when I was shocked when I actually saw the job description over there, because the job description, it was written that you should know the basic English speaking. And back then I knew very well that I could only speak how are you and what are you doing. These are the 2 or 3 or might be 10 sentences that I could only speak. Otherwise I couldn't speak anything in English. So even in every job role, like it was call center or any other job role, they required you should have basic Microsoft Office skills like Word, Excel, Power, basic. And also along with that, you should know thoda English. And you can understand that thoda English means that you should at least speak English so that you can manage the situation. But I couldn't speak. So that time it really hit me like a truck. I couldn't understand that what should I do, because I am from a Bengali medium student, government school student. Then how would I be able to speak English? So back then it was really very horrible for me, because I was thinking that no job I would get. I thought that already I have delayed it. Now I will never be able to learn English. Then I researched it and now I found a conclusion, and I came to a conclusion that yes, from now onwards I will give 7 to 8 months to speak basic English, because I do not want anything more from myself that okay, only within 2 months I need to have a very fluent English or not. No, I have given 7 to 8 months for basic English speaking. At least I can understand and I can speak English, I can manage the situation. I didn't search for job. I knew that yes, once I will improve my English communication, then opportunities will come. First of all, I have to correct my mindset, and then I have to give myself the time to speak English. So my friend, one thing I want to tell you, that you might be in your 20s, you might be in your 30s, you might be in your 40s. The cycle will remain same. If you want to speak English, at least you should give 7 to 8 months to speak thoda English, means basic English. Basic English, and you might develop more than the basic English if you already are in that environment of writing and reading and English and listening English. Then your English will be improved far better than the person who is only speaking and who is not in that environment. So 7 to 8 months are more than enough to speak basic and at least thoda or good English. So just give yourself time. You might be in your 30s, 40s or 50s, even in your 60s. If you think that you want to speak English, whenever the thought of English is coming in your mind that it is important, then don't think it is already too much late. No, it is not late. You can start, you can give yourself the suitable time, and you, my friend, will be speaking very good English. And if you're in your 20s and thinking that you should delay, when you will be preparing for job, then you will be going for speaking English. No, don't do this. If you're thinking that English is important, start working on that, because you will find yourself in a better position and you can definitely reach your destination very quickly if you start early also. So there is no right time. So if you think English is important, English is closing lot of opportunities for you. So, and English can open lot of opportunities for you. Then, my friend, start from today. Do not delay. Do not delay for a single moment. Start today. Make a schedule. Speak English. I hope that my experience helped you a lot and you are finding this video suitable for yourself. If you think that this video helped you a lot, then you can share this with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, and I will come out with another more interesting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.